How to change your email address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your email address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your email address on Amazon is very simple. Go ahead and then open the Amazon app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from the very bottom of the screen you'll find the profile like icon, which you can use to just tap on it. And once you tap on profile icon, from the top again you'll find an option that says your account. So just go to the your account page here. Now once you go to your account, under account settings you'll find many options, out of which you have to go to this option that says login and security, and then tap the login and security option. Once you go to login and security, right here you'll find an option that says email, so you can just tap the email option. Now you have to enter the new email address that you would like to change to. Make sure no other Amazon account is using that email, and also make sure that you have access to that email address, because it will send a code to verify to that email. So now you can select the new email address, tap the continue option, and your email address will get successfully changed. That's all it takes to change your email address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.